What's up, guys? Today I have nothing on my face but my eyebrows. Everything else I have no makeup on. I decided not to because I'm gonna put on these contacts, and I normally don't put on any makeup before contact. I don't know if anyone else you put it on like after or before. I have not worn contact in like 2 years due to a allergen. I developed an allergy. I've been wearing contacts since I was like 16 years old. I always did it with makeup, and then one day I just poof turned red from my face, my eyes, and I tested the solution and just dropped it in my face, and my whole face developed like red streaks. So just a precaution, you can develop allergies to contact solution depending on the chemical in it. Hopefully this does not happen today. Hopefully none of this happens today. I am going to use the Ttdye, which is the one I used to use, so I hope it doesn't do that again because it has been 2 years and I am very excited to show you guys the new contacts I got from Ttdye. So let me show you guys really quick the contact solution I'm going to use. The contact solution I'm going to use, I'm going to try the little one off from Ttdye only because of, like I just said, the allergy reaction that I did have to contacting the solution. So hopefully it doesn't happen again, and this one does come with a case in it and it is small. So if you're not sure which contact solution to use with your contacts, buy a smaller bottle and then later get a bigger one. So this is a multi-purpose one, Pure Moist by Ttdye. So the contact solution I got is from Ttdye, and their box is so cute. Now it did take about like 2 weeks to get here, and they ship from California. I think it's a Korean brand. I'm not sure. They even told you in the back how to apply them on, which is the really cute little pictures. So this box is very cute. I have not yet opened the contacts. So this is what comes in the box. You get a case. So adorable. You get a case, and then I guess that little thing is for to apply it to your eye, but I'm not going to use it because I'm afraid I'm going to stick my eye out. And then the other thing you get in here, which is really adorable, I've never seen like I don't know, I just never seen a contact company put so much love and care into a box. I ordered different contacts from different companies, and this one actually put like little glitter flakes in there, which is really cute. So you get little glitter flakes in this one. This is amazing to me. This is my first time ordering from them, so I'm excited. And then you get the contacts, which I don't know. They come in this little box. They say they are Korean. So it's a Korean brand, I guess. And they come in this really cute shiny box. And I dropped it. And as you can see, I have not opened them yet. I'm about to try them on for you guys and show you. But I'm just showing you what comes in this box. And then the next thing that you get is the Happy Smile hand mirror. So they also give you a cute little hand mirror. That's really cute, guys. This is really cute. And you also get stickers. Now this one has the Hello Kitty, watermelon, and a strawberry, and I guess like a fox and a money sign, a planet. It's really cute. I think they put a lot of love into their boxes. You cannot say that's not cute. That is really cute. I'm loving this. And the last thing you get in this box is it says flea market. Oh, I found it. I don't know if it's a coaster or a card. This is nice. It's really cute. Just a little card. Huh. Thought it was a coaster. But this is really cute. And it comes in this little envelope. This little tiny envelope. This is really cute. It's like those miniature food videos or something. I don't know. I just thought this was really cute. So it was $22 with a discount code. You get this cute little card. The contacts, which these are the Polar Lights Blue, which I'm about to try. Okay, are these not? No, they're not stickers. I'm sorry. They're tattoos. They're cute. I really like these. They're cute. And then you got the mirror, which I'm gonna use this. I should probably open it. Where's the... I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pull it out so I can show you guys. Okay, I'm having issues opening this. I'm excited to see. Oh, it's just a This one has a scratch in it, but that's okay. Oh, it's just a little mirror like this. Huh. I can still use that. Something. I'm afraid it might break, but it's cute to have around and do your makeup, or I guess put your contacts on to go. Well guys, this is everything that comes in a box. This is from the Ttdye, I'm sorry. This box is so adorable. Like I said, this is the first time I ordered from them, and I'm excited to see what these contacts look like. So I'm about to go put them on because I'm one of those like germaphobes where I have to wash my hands. You just don't want to put contacts in your eyes without washing your hands. Don't do that. You can get an eye infection. So let me go wash my hands and put these in my eyeballs so you can see what they look like. I'll be right back. Guys, before I go put them on, I just want to show you guys how creative they are with their contacts. They are so creative. Just look at that. Wow. They really put a lot of care into these. You can tell, because I don't know who else does these, but they just put like this hologram, what is it? Fluorescent or holographic or whatever you call it. It's just so pretty. I'm so excited, guys. I'm really excited. I'm about to go put them on now. So guys, I put one of the contacts in. I don't know if you can see that. This is the one with my regular eye color, and then I'm trying hard to open my eyes. You guys can see. And this is the one with the polar lights blue. Now, I do think it looks more natural than a lot of contacts. The pupil area might be a little bit too big for me, but honestly, I think they look great. I'm impressed. I have tried Solidica contacts before, and they're expensive, and these are the inexpensive versions. They're pretty. I think they're really pretty. They look so realistic, guys. You can't even tell from a distance I have them on. Wow. I'm really impressed, guys. I mean, they're a little bit dry, but it just might be me. I did use the Pure Moist, as I said, and good thing this time it did not cause an allergic reaction like last time. So I don't know. I think I used a different one last time. I don't know. I'm about to go put on the other one, guys, and we're about to see what they look like for both sides. So one without and one with, and as you can see, my eyes are very dark brown. So let's put on the other one. Alright guys, so I'm back and I put both contacts in. I don't know if you can see. Let me look into the light. And they're kind of hard to see because of my lighting, but they look really good and they're not really noticeable. They're very, like subtle. And this is the polar lights blue on a dark eyes. And like I said, my eyes are really dark. And if you guys want me to see, I mean, I look a little cockeyed, but it's just how the contacts do. I think they look really good. And then contacts also add like a whole another level to makeup and just make you look different. Like you're like a whole new person. Like the Big Bang, like poof, who's that? Who's that? That's basically what it looks like. I think I look like a new person. I think I look good with these. I've never tried blue ones on really. Actually, no, I have. Like, once before, but I hated them. I've always worn, like, green contacts in the past, but I think they suit me pretty well. So if you're looking to buy the Polar Lights blue, I think they're really pretty. Let me look that way so you guys can see because of the lighting. So can you guys see that? Like I said, I think they're pretty good. They look pretty natural. And I can't wait to do makeup with these. So if you guys are looking to buy these, definitely do try them. They are a little bit dry, a little bit plasticky, but overall, like, you know how some contacts you can see like the pixels and they just look really freaking fake? These don't have that. These have like a really smooth surface on the top. So unlike the other contacts that I bought from other companies, the only ones that were really great were the Solidica contacts. Those are really smooth, but these are, it's like I bought Solidicas. They literally look like I bought Solidica. The Solidicas are really good quality, and these, you can't even see the pixels in it. So they look really realistic. I like them, guys. I really do. So I put on some liner and some mascara because I feel like they help out the look. Because I feel like, when you have like black liner, it brings out the contacts more. They look so good. I gotta stop doing that. Wow. I'm just impressed. So guys, definitely try them out. You do get, I don't know if they still have it, but they did have a buy two get one free. So definitely try them out. You get this cute box they put them in, and then you get all the accessories inside. You get a mirror, and this is definitely worth it to me because I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna use this glitter. So get it, guys. Get you a box. Get you some contacts. They seem to be dupe site for Solidica. They look really great, really natural. I'm actually happy with these contacts. Can you guys tell they're fake or not? I mean, maybe you could see the line, but that's okay, because even if you wear natural contacts, you can still see the line in those clear contacts. So yeah, but if you're looking for cosmetic or, you know, something to change your look, these definitely are affordable, very nice. They don't irritate my eyes, and they look very realistic. And the dupes, they seem to be dupes for Solidica. They're cheap, and they come with all that good stuff in the box. So try it out, guys. Pretty sure you'll like it. I gotta stop playing with my eyebrows. But yeah, so check them out, guys. Really great. I'm loving it. Forgot to mention, they also have like where you can add like the strengthening if, you know, if you have stigmatism, or like, not stigmatism, if you have like some problem with your eye that you can't see, you can add like the power level to them. So they do offer prescription contacts too, besides cosmetic wear. You can purchase that on their website. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that notification button for a new video from me. Alright guys, I'll see you. Bye-bye.